Oh, that cart with a jack wheel.
Oh god, oh god. Ew, this looks terrible.
Where are all these?
Oh, I tell you. Oh, please. Oh, please. Oh, please.
This is one of those things you stick in your ear and it sucks out all the
Hospital
lights.
style.
It says right on, it doesn't say on the tag.
Inspired by Dawn.
Inspired by Dawn.com. That might help.
Designer pillboxes.
I don't think we need designer pillboxes. Sorry. Alright, let's go. I'm just gonna check the coffee mugs. Never know. Oh, okay. This little guy. I don't think so. No Starbucks. No Starbucks. Oop. See what it looks like inside. Alright, Starbucks thermos.
Yeah?
Thermos. $5.
Did you look it up?
No. It's Starbucks, it doesn't matter.
It's dented.
That's okay.
Alright. The other Starbucks one we've been sitting on the shelf hasn't sold.
Yeah, it doesn't have a lid.
Yeah, but this is dented. Alright, whatever, it's dented. But I feel like dented things.
You'll be okay. Look at this cow.
It's got a crusty on the side too, but it's got a crusty on the side.
Fine, put it back.
Well, I really don't think it's worth $5.
Thanks. The toys have been decimated today. Find me in the jeans section. I know you're all very surprised at that, but we'll have to look for some jeans. We got decimated over the weekend, over the week. So, looking for jeans. Lots of jeans. Levi's. Never heard of this brand. Oh, yeah. Give it a shot. These look expensive, whatever they are. Let's see. Purple rise. Those looking good. Union made. Okay, here's the pile.
There's the pile. It's sad today.
It's kind of sad. We're taking a risk with some tan Levi's.
Brown flavored.
Yeah.
We're gonna do those.
Taking another risk with these.
They have a stain.
Yeah.
But Adam seems to think they're unique.
They're super cool.
He thinks they're super cool.
They're a good size. They're 30.
So,
What size are they? Are they 30s?
36, 34.
34.
No, we don't buy 30s. We don't buy 30s because 30s don't sell.
No.
So I got those.
What's gonna sell?
I'll just take a picture of this poop stain.
You're gonna sell.
Let's take a picture of the poop stain. We just got a lot of red tags today. We're not really getting that many bargains. 34, 32, 541s. I gotta make sure everything has a button because last time we got burned because we got one that didn't have a button when we got home. So that's gonna be re-donated back. These are, and they were actually Eddie Bauer jeans. These ones are Eddie Bauer's, but they have lining in them. So we're gonna go with these.
Do they have a button?
These are $7.50, yeah. These are gonna be half off. We always sell the lined ones like immediately.
Yeah, we won't in a couple months.
Yeah, so we're just gonna buy them now. We're not gonna buy them whenever it's warm outside, if that ever happens. So cold and snow. These 505, 36.30. 36 is a really good size. And these are in good shape. These are half off, so they'll only be $4. So
that's a yes from Sarah.
that makes me feel a little better. Silver tabs, $5. Found another pair, baggy fit, 42.36. They do have a small hole in them. Down at the bottom, we noticed small hole, and they're a little like whatever.
But I think these are the silver tabs from the 90s, and there's a little stainage there.
They definitely, where's stainage?
Well, it's not really stainage.
Oh no, I'll take good pictures of it.
Yeah, these are cool. These are soft.
Has anybody else had problems with eBay not uploading their pictures?
Now's not the time to ask.
Giving errors?
Now's
Comment down below. Because it's annoying and I'm going to be real mad later.
Now's not the time to ask.
Why?
Ask on, like, if you do what's sold, to ask
I'm
them.
not doing what's sold.
You should.
No.
You should actually today.
No, I'm not, because we only have 4 sales today. And,
Yeah, you wait till the end of the day.
well, the end of the day is never going to come.
Okay, what do we got here?
This is 38.35.59. Okay.
These look like they're in pretty good. Wait a minute.
But
Some schmutz.
it's just because it's so dusty on the floors in here, you always get that.
We're good. It's been de-schmutzed.
We got those.
That's a yes from Sarah.
We got
We haven't rejected too many yet.
$34.29. These are only $4. So that's good. $34.29. Light Levi's. Stretchy.
Yeah, I think those are good.
505. Yeah, these are good. For $4. I mean, you can't say no for $4.
We have nothing in the rejection pile, as you can
Not
see.
yet.
There hasn't been a rejection.
No rejections yet. I think there might be one rejection. These are lucky. These are half off. They have a little like wearage at the bottom, but I'll take pictures of that.
Yeah, that's good.
They don't care. It's $5. So.
Oh, they're good. Still a yes. We've got all yeses. This might be a first.
Well, we didn't get nearly as many pairs as we usually get. So
This I wasn't going to buy until I saw what was on the back.
I'm a little depressed, to be honest with you.
Sarah's depressed.
I got depressed about
See,
what's on the back. What? Oh yeah, so these are new. $13. It's a bit much, but we could probably get 30 out of these
Yeah, I think so.
easily. These are a money doubler. Right there.
Yes. Again.
Okay. $36.30. I hate these red tags. Red tags today. We should have went to the other one. I'm depressed.
We had to get our car washed.
Yeah, sure did.
Well,
Very important.
we might have a perfect sweep. First time ever. Perfect sweep. Where everything gets a yes.
Is that crusty crust? Somebody earned these. I think it's okay.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, so I guess this one's also a yes.
Another yes.
Who irons jeans, kids?
We're
I would love to know. I would love to know.
the reject pile is still empty.
So these ones here, I think Comfort Fit are the ones that we get the big money for.
569s.
Oh no, these are $5.60.
I mean, we were
Hold on a
probably-
second. I put these to the side for right now
Why?
because they're a little dingy, and I want to see something. They're a little dinge. They're a little dinge, Adam. You gotta go to the books after this real quick. This is. It's just dust.
It's dust.
So many.
Still
so
haven't
much
had a
dust.
reject.
The floor in here. 514, 36, 34. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Is that dust or is it crust?
It's dust.
Yeah, so much dust. on the floors in here. And
Alright.
the jeans just...
I don't know about these. I just grabbed them because
What
they
is
were
this?
new. I don't know.
Denim Supply, New York.
They're brand new.
I'm gonna look that up in a minute.
Also, looked fancy.
Maxi Milan.
Yeah, they looked fancy.
What is Maxi Milan?
I don't know, but they looked fancy.
Oh, okay. Oh, these are going back.
Uh-oh, we got a
This
reject.
is too much of a...
Uh-oh.
Yeah. That's a shame because these are Carpenter. And Carpenter Levi's do really well. But that's just too bad.
Yeah.
So that's going back.
Rejected.
Yeah. It's a shame because $5. Yeah, no. What is going on?
Somebody's cleaning up around here.
These are Gap vintage boot cut. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna take a picture of that. I'm just gonna put user distress. They're only $3.
Okay.
They're only $3. So I'm just gonna take a picture of that. It's not a big deal. Okay. These 38.32s. $8 for these. Here, I don't know what Maxi Milan is. I'm really curious
Yeah.
about Maxi Milan.
All right, so those are a yes.
Hold on, Adam. I gotta give him my seal of approval.
Those are a yes. Boom. The final verdict is we only had one reject, so there's the pile.
$127.
$127 worth of jeans.
Let's go get out of here.